The Morakniv Campanion S is the perfect all-round everyday carry knife. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, and the tang runs 3/4 of the way up the knife, which means that you are able to work with both power and precision. Attach the sheath with a practical belt clip, so that your companion is always close at hand.
In World War II, the Marine Corps was looking for a better knife than the one that they had, something stronger, more durable. Union Cutlery submitted Marine Combat Knife with a 7-inch blade, a blood groove, double guard, stacked leather washers, and a stamp on the blade. K-Bar only in New York. It was the most widely recognized combat knife that was used in World War II. It created the legacy that is K-Bar. In 1898, two brothers founded Tidiute Cutlery Company in Tidiute, Pennsylvania to make straight razors. In 1902, the company changed to Union Razor. In 1912, it changed to the Union Cutlery Company as the company had progressed into more multi-bladed pocket knives and fixed-blade hunting knives. In 1952, the company again changed its name to K-Bar due to the popularity of the U.S. Marine Combat Knife. This is American craftsmanship at its finest. It is handcrafted by skilled labor, looking at it with exacting standards. We've got skilled craftsmen and cutlers that have been here for decades. The Marine Combat Knife continues to be K-Bar's bestseller. It is made to the exact same standards that it was back in 1941 and continues to be the cornerstone of our business. Today, we're never resting. We're always being innovative. We have Becker Knife and Tool, Dozier designs, TDI law enforcement, knives for the oncoming zombie apocalypse. It doesn't matter what your hobby or your niche, we make the knife for you. One thing hasn't changed though, is we still make the best knives out there, and we make them right here in the United States. K-Bar is something that is just weaved in the fabric of American culture. It's an American icon.
This is the Schrade SCHF-36 full tang fixed blade survival knife, brandishing the heft and strength of a 5-inch drop point blade produced from 1/4-inch thick 1095 high carbon steel. The all-black SCHF-36 offers outdoor enthusiasts a knife eager to take on the rigors of the backcountry. The powder-coated fine-edge blade resists corrosion and is razor-sharp right out of the box. The knife is just over 10.5 inches overall length, contributing to its versatility and ease of use. The 90-degree angle of the knife's spine can be used as a striker against a ferro rod. Ring texturing on the TPE handle defies the elements, providing a sure grip in any weather condition, while also offering a contoured design that fits with your hand's natural shape. Jimping on the blade's spine and underside adds traction, while the finger choil offers increased blade control. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCHF-36 close at hand. The black nylon sheath with its Velcro loop makes it easy to attach the sheath without the need to remove your belt. Lash the sheath to your leg with the available cordage, or to gear. A single snap makes for ready access to the SCHF-36, and the sheath pouch comes packing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF-36 Survival Knife.